Ew, my feet. Why does the ground feel like chocolate pudding? Quicksand? Ah!
Ew, my feet. Why does the ground feel like chocolate pudding?
Quicksand! It's a female. They are not fighting. They are mating. I'm sinking! Guys, come back!
He's all over the trees and I can't find a branch.
I see feet.
Gentlemen, wait!
It's still a jungle puzzle, right?
I don't think this is a jungle puzzle. It's the southern hemisphere. I was just looking at it the wrong way.
It's still a jungle puzzle, right?
I don't think this is a jungle puzzle. This is a Pokio. What's this a Pokio?
It's an ancient underground aqueduct. Inca engineers built some of the most elaborate irrigation systems ever devised. Water from above using gravity. Stop! 40 kilometers, Randy! I'm trying to find the off switch!
We decided to drive. Here we go. Baby, now. Are we there yet? No, he's taking her kids on a little trip. Open up. You're just using us to suck up to tell Mom.
We decided to drive. Here we go.
Now,
Are we there yet?
no, he's taking her kids on a little trip.
I have to
You
pee.
do not have to pee.
I'm sure the carpet is absorbing. Here it comes.
It's about to go way too far.
Yo, how's it going with the little brat?
Open up.
You're just using us to suck up to our mom. Where you go?
Now you're gonna get it!
Suzanne, I'm sure they're fine.
Revolution Studios presents
What are you doing?
a comedy about how far one man will go
Hey, how you doing, man?
I want to say hi to the kids. I love you.
to become part of the family.
He's gentle. Whoa! You want a piece of me?
I like him. He's kind of funny.
Ice Cube, Nia Long, Jay Moore.
I'm sorry, Nick.
There's nothing more that you can do to this car. Are we there yet?
I like him. He's kind of funny. Ice Cube, Nia Long, Jay Moore. Oh, I'm sorry, Nick. There's nothing more that you can do to this car. Ew! Oh no! Ah! Are we there yet?
You want a piece of me?
I like him. He's kind of funny.
Ice Cube, Nia Long, Jay Moore.
I'm sorry, Nick.
There's nothing more that you can do to this car. Are we there yet?
Nick, I don't feel so good. Nick, I don't feel so good. You got anything to drink?
There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry, Nick. I accidentally spilled a drop on the floor.
Little man, don't even worry about it. There's nothing more that you can do to this car. Is everybody all right?
I feel much better now.
Look, I tried to do your mama a favor, you little booger. You probably want to kiss her.
Nasty man. You're nasty bad man.
Look, I tried to do your mama a favor, you little booger.
You probably want to kiss him, don't you?
Look, off the glass. Off the glass. And you, open this door.
You forgot the magic word.
Open this damn door.
So what? Hey, I'm not playing with you. You can't make us do anything. Hey, this is my car. You hear me, little girl? This is my car.
So what? Hey, I'm not playing with you.
You can't make us do anything.
Hey, this is my car. You hear me, little girl? This is my car.
The whale's gonna open his mouth wide, and we're gonna make it to the whoa! You okay, Wonder Pets? We're fine. The whale ate the seaweed salad so fast.
Hey, Sam.
The whale's gonna open his mouth wide, and we're gonna make it to the whale.
The whale's gonna open his mouth wide, and we're gonna make it to the whoa! You okay, Wonder Pets? We're fine. The whale ate the seaweed salad so fast.
The whale's gonna open his mouth wide,